diamond. I don't know what you're talking about. Yes, I got it.
I have a problem. I misplaced my diamond and I think that you can help me find it.
No, I can't. I can't.
What are you talking about? You're a detective, aren't you?
Yes, I can't help you.
Right.
You don't ever touch me again.
Wow, but I'm really hot in here. Do you have a heater on?
No.
Do you want to take off my coat?
Yes, I do.
Frank. Here, I thought you could help me.
No, I can't.
You're making me angry, Frank. You're not going to like me when I'm angry.
Thanks, my dear. I don't give up.
Frank, I know you don't like me, but you have to go and kill yourself. Ugh. At least I got my diamond.
I wanna go to the devil, wanna be evil. I wanna spit tax. I wanna be evil and cheat at jacks. I wanna be wicked. I wanna tell lies. I wanna be mean and throw mud pies. I want to wake up in the morning with that dark brown taste. I wanna see some dissipation in my face. I wanna be evil. I wanna be mad. But more than that, I wanna be bad.